So I thought I would show something a little bit different in the GSM workshop today. Something I've been working on for a little bit. This is a Grasshopper steam engine, a little bit like a beam engine. I made this. Never did a video on how I'm making it because I did it in my spare time at my last job, during my lunch breaks and things like that. So it will be a working steam engine. It's still a work in progress. Actually, it's not even bolted down. I can spin her around on the board. I can just come in, show some details. Made a flywheel. I have a little CNC milling machine, which I did the spokes for the flywheel. The boiler is a work in progress still. I can actually take it off. Needs cleaning up. It's made. I have all the fittings made for the outlets and the gauges and the safety valves. This will be the water level one that go in here. And I'm going to put a little propane burner in there. Got the base made. I just need to finish it. Now it seems to be in a lockdown. I'm also, in fact, I'm forcibly into semi-retirement. I want to finish this one off and get it running. So I'll be making separate YouTube videos on how this is. So this is my model Grasshopper steam engine I'm working on. So I want to show you a couple of other things I just got recently as well to help along with this. So let's go around the workshop. So bear with me. It's a bit of a mess because I'm rearranging things. I have a Sherline CNC mill, which I haven't hooked up yet. It's all here. This is on loan to me. Probably on loan permanently, I think. Somebody I used to work with at my last job. So it's a Sherline 2010, and it's totally universal. You can swivel it around, alter the height on it. It's fully working. Actually, it does a really nice job. This is actually one of the last jobs I did. These are calibration discs for somebody I'm making bits for. These are made out of brass. Does a nice job. Last job on here was actually a horn for a radio control plane. I wanted a special length horn made up on there. So that's the little milling machine. Does a great job. I like to do some further improvements on it. It doesn't have ball screws. It just has ordinary screws. So I'd like to change over to ball screws soon. So around here is a bunch of tooling, something I just recently got last week. And it's for an Atlas lathe. Unfortunately, when I didn't do a video of this, I'm actually rebuilding it as well. So this is all the tooling. So it's 4 drawers and a 3 drawer. There's a collet holder here for it. All the change wheels for threading. Jacob's chucks. Steady rest. Drive dogs. Some wrenches. In here, the outside drawers for the 3 drawer. And just bits and pieces. This is a Lathe center, which I've taken it apart because I want to rebuild it. It wasn't turning, and I want to repoint the end as well. So this is a motor mount that I'm working on right now, and that's part of the motor mount here as well. So let's go over to the lathe. I had to rearrange things here just a little bit. So here's the little Atlas lathe. It's a 618. Comes on a stand. Real nice solid bit of wood base here. So I've had to put a new belt in, or putting a new belt in for it. So I got the headstock apart. There's the change gears. The motor is down here. And the original, where I got it originally, it was all loose and loosey-goosey where it was working. And I couldn't adjust one of the belts. You had 3 belts working it. So I'm going back to a 2-belt system. So it'll be a 2-speed on the motor, change it, put another pulley down there with 2 pulleys on it. Then up here there'll be 2 more pulleys. Then the counter shaft comes across this way. Then a belt will come onto the headstock here. I have all the parts, and they're all in really good condition. Yeah, it's a nice little lathe. If I told you what I paid for it, you think I was stealing it. I paid $175 for this cute baby. So, and I got the tailstock as well. Probably end up replacing the handles here and here, but for now it'd be fine. I'm going to put a quick change on here as well. And like I said, I'm going to make up a new motor mount here. So I've got some parts on order, some original Atlas motor bits coming in to make up the new pulley system up here. So that's that. Let me just quickly show you where the rest of the parts are for it. Just come around the workshop. Those who've been watching the channel are familiar with my workshop. And here's all the headstock parts in there. So it's all parts are here ready for it to go. That's it. It's just a quick video for today, a little quick update. Quick tour of the workshop again. Here you go. I've got the Jaguar XK8 under its cover over here. The Honda 125, which I've got to take the cylinder head off. The Range Rover Litchfield engine is out. I'm working on the taking the transmission out. It seems like every nut and bolt I'm taking out of this thing is just a nightmare. So I'm still working on that. Updates are on this one. But it's mainly, this is all about really the little model steam engine. This is what I do. I'm a toolmaker by trade. If anyone's watching, I did my apprenticeship, toolmaking apprenticeship at R.A. Lister's in Dursley, in Gloucestershire, England, many years ago. I won't say how many years ago, a long time ago. So, thanks for watching. Just a quick video. Please like and subscribe. I'll be putting a lot more content on the channel, which I'm going to put some different things on here as well. So apart from my cars and my model steam engine, I also am a photographer as well. I'm going to put some photography content on here as well. There you go. Just a little quick tour of my bench. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon.